Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left we have the Galphi 3-channel dash cam, and on the right the FOCUWAY dash cam front, rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Get ready for some intense comparisons and a whole lot of laughs. Let's start with the most crucial aspect of a dash cam, video quality. The Galphi dash cam boasts a high-performance Novatech chipset and a Sony sensor, delivering smooth 1080 front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video. It's like having eyes all around your car. Meanwhile, the FOCUWAY dash cam takes it up a notch with its 4K Ultra HD resolution front camera. Yes, you heard that right, 4K. It's like having a Hollywood film crew in your car. And don't worry, the rear camera still captures full HD 1080p footage, ensuring you don't miss a single detail. Now let's talk about night vision. The Galphi dashcam shines with its f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, providing excellent color precision and clarity even in the darkest of nights. Plus, it has 4 IR lights facing the cabin, perfect for all you rideshare drivers out there. But wait, the FOCUWAY dashcam has something to say about night vision too. Equipped with an advanced Sony STARVIS sensor and an improved f1.5 aperture lens, it takes night vision to a whole new level. Say goodbye to blurry license plate numbers and hello to crystal clear footage. Moving on to additional features, the Galphi dash cam has a built-in gravity shock sensor. So when it detects a collision or bump, it automatically locks the footage as evidence. Talk about being proactive. Plus, it has a parking monitor that records any suspicious activity around your car. And the FOCUWAY dashcam steps up its game with faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Say goodbye to slow downloads and hello to lightning-fast video transfers. Plus, it has a built-in GPS that records your speed, driving route, and real-time location. Now you can relive your adventures and brag about them on social media. Let's talk about installation. The Galphi dash cam has a unique compact design that won't shade your view or distract you while driving. It's like having a stealthy ninja protecting your car. And the best part? Installing the rear camera is a breeze, no need to remove the reversing light. On the other hand, the FOCUWAY dashcam keeps it simple too. With its 3.39 inches IPS display, you'll enjoy an enhanced live video preview or recorded video playback experience. And guess what? It even has smart voice control. Just say, lock the video to preserve that accident moment in front of your car. It's like having a personal assistant in your vehicle. Both cameras have their own unique features and strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your preferences and needs. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product showdowns. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.